Chai and welcome to my new blog. Today we will talk about 6 must-see places in Italy that will make you fall in love all over again. Italy is a nation that speaks straight to the heart. Italy is a place that always fascinates, from its ancient ruins and charming canals to its sun-kissed coasts and rolling vineyards. Whether you're traveling alone, with a spouse, or as a family, there is something very magical waiting around every cobblestone corner. This book will look at 6 amazing Italian locations, certain to revive your enthusiasm for life, travel, and yes, perhaps even love. 1. Rome, the Eternal City. A city that deftly combines the ancient with the modern, Rome makes any vacation to Italy incomplete. The capital of Italy, Rome, is a treasure mine of history, culture, and lively street life. Your trip should begin at the Colosseum, where ancient gladiators battled for fame. The Roman Forum, a vast wreck of government structures and temples that offers a glimpse into ancient Roman society, is just a short distance away. Stroll around the Pantheon, see the Trevi Fountain, and remember to throw a coin in to guarantee your comeback. The smallest nation in the world, Vatican City resides inside Rome, and is home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, a must-see for every art or history enthusiast. Beyond the monuments, Rome's warm trattorias, vibrant piazzas, and strong espresso will make you fall in love all over again. 2. Venice, the floating romance. Often called one of the most romantic cities in the world, Venice certainly deserves this title. Venice is the ideal destination to fall in love with its centuries-old architecture, beautiful bridges, and meandering canals. Take a gondola for a serenaded journey around the city's canals. Walk over the famous Rialto Bridge, see St. Mark's Basilica, and investigate the magnificent Doge's Palace. With vibrant structures and reflections dancing on the river, the city itself seems like a living picture. Take time to discover the lesser-known islands like Murano, renowned for glass-making, and Burano, a vividly colored fishing village that resembles a storybook. 3. Florence, a Renaissance dream. Florence is the city for you if you appreciate art, architecture, and culture. Renowned as the home of the Renaissance, Florence is brimming with world-class museums, cathedrals, and breathtaking vistas. Begin in the Uffizi Gallery to see works by Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci. Rising above the skyline, the Duomo provides a breathtaking panoramic vista from the summit. Walk along Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge dotted with lovely jewelry stores. From the sculptures in Piazza della Signoria to the graceful palazzos, every turn will reveal motivating beauty that surrounds you as you discover. 4. Amalfi Coast, Italy's coastal jewel. Few locations can match the Amalfi Coast in terms of stunning natural beauty. Running along the southernmost edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula, this shore is famous for its stunning cliffs, pastel-colored towns, and crystal-clear waters. Among the most well-known towns are Ravello, Amalfi, and Positano. Every town has its own special appeal and provides breathtaking views, great seafood, and lovely shops. Lined with lemon trees and sea views, the tiny, winding lanes provide their own adventure. Every moment on the Amalfi Coast seems like a dream, whether you're drinking limoncello on a patio or taking a boat trip around the coast. 5. Tuscany, romantic rolling hills. Tuscany is your perfect location if all you want to do is unwind and reconnect. Tuscany, with its golden hills, vineyards, and quaint towns, provides a slower, more romantic pace of living. Spend your days wine tasting in Chianti, exploring medieval towns like San Gimignano and Siena, or just relishing a picnic in the countryside. The area is particularly well known for its food, which highlights fresh ingredients and traditional tastes. Those who like art will like seeing historic cathedrals packed with undiscovered treasures and tiny museums. In Tuscany, you may really slow down and enjoy every moment. 6. Cinque Terre, the colorful coastline. Cinque Terre is a must-see for anybody who enjoys beautiful coastal vistas, hiking, and nature. Part of a national park and UNESCO World Heritage Site, this cluster of 5 vibrant towns hangs on the Ligurian sea cliffs. Every village, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, offers something special. You can take a train or boat between villages or walk along beautiful paths from one to the next. The vistas of the terraced vineyards, colorful homes, and sea are amazing. Cinque Terre is also home to some of the freshest fish in Italy. Ideal time to see Italy. The best periods to visit Italy are spring, April to June, and fall, September to October. These seasons have great weather, few people, and beautiful landscapes. Although winter is ideal for visiting places like Venice and Rome with less crowds, summer can be somewhat hot, especially in cities. Where to stay all over Italy? Italy offers a wonderful range of accommodations from elegant hotels and nice B&Bs to charming villas and rural agriturismos. Major cities have boutique guest houses and modern hotels. Consider spending at a restored farmhouse for a distinct experience in rural areas like Tuscany. Book early if your travel is during peak seasons, especially in famous areas like Rome, Florence, and the Amalfi Coast. Getting about Italy. Italy's public transport system is exceptional. Most major cities and towns are connected by the train system. High-speed trains, such as the Frecciarossa, make travel quick and pleasant. There are also many local ferries and buses. Renting a car would provide more freedom, particularly in rural areas. Always check your rail ticket before getting on regional trains. Neglecting this could lead to a penalty. No more click here. Italian food to fall in love with Italian cuisine is as varied as its regions. In Rome, sample carbonara and supplì. In Naples, enjoy the traditional Neapolitan pizza. In Bologna, don't miss the tagliatelle al ragù. Every region has its own unique dishes, and trying local food is one of the joys of Italian tourism. Pair your meals with local wines. Don't forget to finish with a shot of espresso or gelato. Eating in Italy is not only about food, it's also about uniting, relaxing, and enjoying life. Last recap. From the ancient passageways of Rome to the colorful cliffs of Cinque Terre, Italy offers an endless spectrum of experiences that stir the heart and uplift the spirit. Whether you're a first-time tourist or returning for another taste of la dolce vita, these 6 must-see sites in Italy will make you fall in love all over again, with the country, with life, and maybe even with someone special. Get ready for the ultimate love affair with Italy by packing your luggage, bringing your curiosity, and bringing your baggage. If you have any query and suggestion, please leave your comment below. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please share with others. Thanks for watching.